y'all to hear this because it's going to explain something you felt your entire life and never had the words for. There's a specific fat molecule in the membrane of every single brain cell you have, and its entire job is to control how sensitive your cells are to cortisol signal. And when it runs low, which it does in chronic abuse survivors, every cortisol hit, it starts landing like a freaking foghorn instead of a doorbell. Ugh. And that fat is called phosphatidylserine.
PS for short, because that name is a lot. So let's think of
every cell in your brain as a house. And cortisol is the person outside ringing the doorbell. Adequate PS and your doorbell, it sounds totally normal. You know, ding dong, oh, hi, nice to see you. Depleted PS, that same doorbell becomes a freaking foghorn. Yeah, no bueno. So you have same person, same cortisol, completely different experience inside the cell. This is why trauma survivors like you and I feel like we are overreacting when we know logically the situation does not warrant it. Your cells, they aren't lying to you, honey. They're hearing the signal at 10 freaking times the volume because our volume control, it broke. And clinical trials from the Italian National Research Council and Lund University in Sweden, they found that supplementing PS reduced cortisol response stress by up to 30%. 30% from a freaking fat that your brain already makes and runs low under chronic stress. And in 2022, a study from Tel Aviv University found that PS supplementation, it produced significant improvement in working memory and in cognitive function within just 12 weeks.
the brain fog, the word finding, the going blank in the middle of a frickin' sentence.
It's not a character flaw, sweetie. It is a fat depletion. PS is in organ meats, especially liver and sunflower and soy lecithin.
And it's one of the only nootropics with an actual FDA qualified health claim for cognitive function. Not a trend, a regulatory approval.
So all we're gonna do is just place one hand on your forehead and the other on your heart. And I want you to do nose inhale of 4 counts. Hold at the top, 4 counts. A mouth exhale, 4 counts. And then hold at the base for 4 counts and repeat 3 times. And then we're just simply going to say, my cells are allowed to receive information at a normal volume now. My foghorn will become a doorbell again. Because breathwork practices like the box breathing practice we just did, the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and the extended exhale, these lower our cortisol. And cortisol is part of what is depleting our PS. And that controls the volume of the cortisol signal.
I know, it's a loop, but we are breaking it slowly, one day, one moment, and one safe breath at a time. You were never reacting, honey. Your doorbell was simply malfunctioning, and now it has a name
And a fit.
Have a fabulous rest of your Friday and weekend ahead, y'all. Bye!